So we've installed this system called Relax by Space Pro. These are aluminium stanchions, shelves and drawer units. It's a bespoke design made to fit. So for example, where the roof slope, the ceiling slopes here, we've cut that stanchion down, and we've used a mixture of standard width shelves and units, and some cut to size. This is a special edition where you cut a shelf to size and you hide the cut edge. These just come in widths of 900 and 550 millimeters, but you find you can make them fit to most spaces. This one we've also cut down in width and just used some IKEA brackets to make a wall shelf. I like this system because it solved a few design challenges which might not immediately be apparent on this project. We've got this door into the eaves, which by having a rail across you can easily access but still use the space in front for storage. We've got a radiator which the post-based system doesn't interfere with, and then the open structure of it just keeps the room a lot more light and airy. If you imagine this being more of a box with sides on it, then the whole thing would feel more enclosed. The drawers are soft close, have a pretty nice feel to them. They're not absolute top of the range, but they're perfectly good enough for bedroom furniture. And then the whole system floats off the floor, which has enabled us to hide extension leads under both sides so that there's access to sockets. So that's it, the Relax system by Space Pro. You can buy the components yourself from B&Q. I would suggest it gives a better result to give some thought to the design and possibly to get a professional installer, because it's not as easy as it might first look to fit. So I hope that's been helpful.